Question number 9. Here we need to identify A, that is this compound. On reacting with NH3 1 mole, it's giving B. On reacting with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, C is obtained. On reduction, this amine is obtained. As we know the structure and we know some information about the last product, we can work this reaction backward. This amine is a secondary amine. The nitrogen here is attached to 2 carbons. This secondary amine can be obtained by reduction of which compound? Now we also see that this compound C is obtained on treating with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. The reaction with chloroform and KOH gives carbylamine, that is RNC. So we know that RNC, when we make it undergo reduction, meaning addition of hydrogens, that time we get RNHCH3. So therefore, here we know what is R, because this format here suggests that R is CH3 twice CH, because NHCH3 is common here. Therefore, substituting this, the carbylamine is CH3 twice CHNC. So, on reduction, it gives us this compound. We know that primary amines are the ones undergoing carbylamine reaction. Which primary amine can give us this compound on reacting with chloroform and alcoholic KOH? Once again, recollecting the general reaction, RNH2 gives RNC. So therefore, we should write here CH3 twice CHNH2. So that's this compound here. It may be confusing and we may think that this amine here is a secondary amine. Let's just carefully note here, this nitrogen is attached to 1 carbon only. So therefore, this is still a primary amine. This is B. Proceeding here to get A. So we have RNH2. How can we get RNH2? By adding ammonia. We know that 2-haloalkane, when we add ammonia, we get RNH2 by when removing HX. Therefore, the starting compound here should be CH3 twice CHX. X can be either chlorine, bromine, it's a halogen. So this is our starting compound A. Options are not given here, but options may look like this. It could look something like this: CH3, CH, CH3. Maybe here we have either Cl or Br attached to it. This is isopropyl chloride. Or we can also call it as 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane is the starting compound. Once again, we start from A now. So A, if it is isopropyl chloride, on removing Cl, on reaction with ammonia, if HX is removed, we get primary amine. This is B. On reacting with chloroform and KOH, we get this compound CH3 twice, CHNC, which is carbylamine. On reduction, this compound is C. On reduction, this compound does give us CH3 twice, CH, NH, CH3. So this is our final product. So this is A, X can be Cl, Br, etc. This is B, primary amine. This is C, which is carbylamine, and this is the product which is given to us.